Go.
People, protect me.
This way.
Where'd Monar go?
We're gonna get racing.
All right, move. Let's move.
Let's go. Go across.
Oh, full auto.
Kaufman, here, someone get in front of me. I don't want to get shot at me.
Jacob. What's up?
New mag.
Smells like air.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Let's move up. Are there people down there?
Jacob, sit there. Don't move. Sit there.
Do you guys need reviving? Does friendly fire count? Where are they at? All right, we're clear.
You done?
Do we have anybody who's down?
They're up front. I need a hole. That's good. You want to run down there and fly? Jacob, you go with me.
Get this hide in there.
Sit down. That's for medics, guys.
I'm the medic. Wait.
No, they're medics around that corner down there.
All right, here. Follow me.
I'll go through barn.
I don't. The barn's closed. Pee-wee.
Are they friendly?
I don't know. No band or bands. All right, that's not a good idea. Where they at? Oh,
You better call that. Josh, I shot him 4 times.
Bacon is fun.
I shot the medic 4 times.
Fire drone is under me.
hey, are we clear this way?
Josh, did I get your medic? Okay, thanks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're up. Are you? Oh. Hey, watch me this way.
You're good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're up. Monar. Here. I'm coming down.
Just kill them off.
I killed the medic.
Are they down there?
Yeah,
That tactical reload. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're up. Oh, okay.
Medic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're up.
Hey, that's your brother medic. He's not calling you. The medic is down. Why is he not? I thought you said you got your medic. I did. I shot him 4 times. Crazy. That's
Bang, 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 bang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, watch me, Parker. Watch me. Watch me.
Hey, watch
Go.
him, watch him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I got you. You're good, you're good.
All right, here. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Monar, we're coming for you.
Hey, I think that guy just got up. Because he was right there.
Oh, they're right there.
Hey. Hey, we need to go over here.
Behind me, they're coming. Get behind me.
I'm moving back. I gotta reload.
He's gonna come and he's gonna try and auto us. We need to be ready. Scanner! Someone fell. Hey, somebody's thing just fell. Yeah. Watch him. You gotta walk here. Move into the hallway a little bit.
Yeah, we gotta move down to the hallway.
I got your back.
Friendly. They're all right around there.
Who's that medic? Hey, he's right there. We heard the full auto.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Parker, you up?
What?
Are you up?
Yeah, I'm up.
All right, cool. Is our team up?
Our whole team's up, yeah. Hey, Sam, you have the wrong team. Hey, can you tell that guy to drop his mag thing again? Hey, dude, you dropped your mag thing again.
Wait, Josh, how many hits do we have? Does the medic have?
4.
All right, so I have
Some
1.
mags down.
No, 5. I mean.
You have
no,
4.
I have 4.
4 left? How many do you have left?
3.
Okay, you're good. Oh, crap, I see him.
Jake, are you still down there?
Medic, are you down?
No, I'm not down. No, I'm just. Oh yeah, I can't kneel.
Hey, watch that window right there. We can do like 3 times. I think I got him one.
Friendly, my bad. My bad.
It's all good. It's all good in the hood.
You guys want to push down?
No,
are they down there?
What is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I got the medic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Watch the corner over there. The medic's over there.
All right, watch out.
And then like 4 of their guys with their hands up walked over there and then got back up again. 'Cause I swear to God I got their medic.
Kaufman, watch your back way.
I got it.
Hey, let's go this way. We need to breach around the corner and get them.
Well, where are they at? I don't.
They're down that hallway right there, I thought. Hey, this way.
Let's just move. Let's move. Hey, we're moving down. We're going through blue. 'Cause
You
they're
guys are
not.
going through blue. Let's go.
Hey, you guys keep suppressing fire down this hall. We're swooping around blue. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
No, we're going this way. Parker, this way. We're going through blue.
We're going to do blue.
Does anybody have an M4 mag? I don't know. Here, I need to get a new M4 mag. Somebody watch our back way.
I'm shooting the medic too right now. No, you're not. You're ricocheting.
You're ricocheting off the wall.
Here, get him. I'm out.
You completely out?
No, I don't know.
That's not count, little kid. Watch right.
There goes my phone.
Hey, when you're out, tell me I got a speed loaded. 90 bullets.
Skyler.
What?
Took AK mags.
11 50.
What?
Cool. Only took AK mags.
Hey, you can take my mag.
Sitting down.
Hey, if you run out, ask me. I got the same exact.
All right, I'm fine for right now. Let's push it. Let's push it. We're just
Let's go.
go through blue.
Drop your mag into someone and just push.
All right, let's go.
All right, here we go. I'm dropping my mag and we're pushing. Just go into blue.
Just grab your next mag and just drop.
3.
And keep firing and throw it in there.
Wait. Where's? Okay, just we're moving into blue. Let's go.
Moving into blue. 3,
2, 1, go.
Go.
Head. All right.
No, that's not very far.
Is your guys' medic down?
I don't know. Oh, God, my leg. You're hit, bro. I just saw the bullet hit your leg. Dude, you're hit. Oh, we think so. Medic! And that's the point for the medic.
I am.
No, we already hit your medic like 10 times.
Who's your guys' medic? Who's your guys' medic?
What? We've been hitting that guy the whole time. Somebody else is on your team is using full auto run.
Oh yeah, this one you guys just come over. What was it?
I'm just gonna leave. Don't shoot me.
I know, I understand.
I thought you still had 3 hits left.
Huh? No, they surrendered me. Don't shoot.
Oh, hell.
Don't. What the fuck, dude? Come on. I just said don't fucking shoot. God damn it.
Oh, that's a polar star.
Okay.
All right.
You guys are lucky.